Hey everyone, so I have a really quick tutorial for you today. This is the most amazing brow product and it is cruelty-free. If you already follow me, you know I'm a massive fan of brow pens, especially the ones that give you the microbladed effect. This new one by Urban Decay is called the Brow Blade. One side is an ink stain with a microfine brush tip, and the other side contains a pencil, which is the main thing that I've been missing with my MAC one. And this pencil is waterproof. It's really important to make sure you remove any makeup from your actual brow before you start, because this can affect the colour of your pen. Now I'm not actually going to use the pencil side because I'm very confident with the shape of my brow, but you can use the pencil side to define the shape, and I have a tutorial on how to do this which I will link on screen for you now. And then you just fill that in with your pen. As you can see, this enables you to create the most tiny hair-like strokes. And what makes me love this pen more than any of the others that I've tried is that not only is this cruelty free, but also this is the tiniest tip I've ever used. It really does give you the most tiny hair strokes. I can see online that there are 7 colours to choose from. The one I've got is a little bit warmer than my actual hair colour. Next time I'm going to go for Neutral Nana. The one I'm using at the moment is Brunette Betty. Looking at the pro tips online, it does suggest that you use the Urban Decay Primer Potion first to prevent the ink from changing colour. I've not done that and I haven't found that the ink has changed colour on me. If you do find that your colour oxidises in any way, it might be worth giving that tip a try. So using the pen, I've created hair strokes in the same direction that my natural hair grows, and I always flick the hairs up very slightly higher than my natural hair at the very front, and then I use a little bit of concealer on a brush to clean up and make sure I've got a nice finish and a straight line. At the tail of the eyebrow, you do find it tends to look a little bit darker because the hairs tend to lay flat together. So this area tends to look a little bit warmer in this particular shade, but once I've picked up the right shade to match my eyebrow hair, it will look perfect. So this is the eyebrow with no product in, and this is the defined one. The pencil side for me will come in handy during the summer when I have more colour, because my hair tends to fade more into my skin tone and you don't notice it as much, so I'll need that pencil to redefine my brows a little bit further. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to follow me outside of YouTube, my social handles are on screen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!